Hi, I'm Gabriel Waknin from On-Off Group. We help teams solve problems faster, align more effectively, and design practical solutions using design thinking to focus on the real needs of your customers, users, and business. Design thinking is a structured, people-first way of solving problems. Instead of jumping to conclusions or guessing what people want, we start by understanding their real needs. It's used to design better services, systems, processes, and even ways of working. When we apply design thinking, the impact happens at every level. For people, it builds empathy and confidence in solving problems and empowers individuals to share ideas that actually get implemented. For teams, it breaks down silos, improves collaboration across departments, and helps decisions get made faster without wasted effort. For companies, it drives innovation in products, services, and processes, while ensuring solutions truly meet customer needs. There are 5 key stages. The first stage is empathize, where we take time to understand your users and what they truly need. Next, we define the core problem based on those insights. From there, we ideate, generating creative solutions, then prototype them quickly and test with real users to see what works and what doesn't. It's not always a straight line, but it helps teams get unstuck and move forward with clarity and speed. I guess you're wondering who uses it. While companies in every industry use it, we've worked with teams at Microsoft, Globe, Nestle, JP Morgan, and even government agencies like the DTI. From HR to marketing to product development, any team that solves problems can benefit. Thanks for watching. If you're curious how this could work for your team, let's connect. Message me on LinkedIn or email me at gabriel@onoffgroup.com.